Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term IKR. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, IKR is an abbreviation for I know, right? People use it when they want to show agreement or share feelings with someone. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. IKR first showed up in early internet chat rooms around the 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and internet users. Now let's check out how to use IKR in a sentence. Correct example 1. When she said the movie was amazing, I replied, IKR, it was incredible. Correct example 2. I can't believe how good that game was, IKR. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said IKR at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using IKR right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. IKR means I know, right? It started in early internet chat rooms, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with IKR in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.